Hey guys, Nick from KN Tech. Welcome back. Well, today I'm going to be doing a short video on my final office upgrade. Yes, I know I said the last one was going to be my final office upgrade, but this is actually going to be my final office upgrade. So I've had this in mind to do for a little while now, and this one's actually going to be my chair. The one I'm using now is quite old and quite uncomfortable, so I'm going to actually upgrade it. Stick around guys, we'll see how it turns out. So those of you that have been watching my channel recently, or even from when I started, you'll know that I've always been using this same old brown chair. Now this is an old office chair that I bought about 5 or 6 years ago from a local office supply company. It wasn't a particularly expensive chair, but at the time it was quite comfortable and reasonably priced, and that's why I got it. Unfortunately, it started to grade over time. As you can hear, if I move the chair around, it actually squeaks quite a bit. Now that can be a problem when I'm filming my videos, because that can get picked up by the microphone I've got on the camera at the moment. It also has some problems with the arm. Some of the nails that actually hold the arm padding in place are starting to protrude through the arm. So if I catch my elbow on it incorrectly, sometimes that nail can shove up into my elbow and it can really hurt sometimes. So I'm going to be going with a Secret Labs, and I'm going to be picking their Titan. Now when I looked on their website, I looked at the sizing options and I was just between an Omega and a Titan. So I opted with a Titan just because it's a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do in this video guys is going to be a very quick unboxing, a build, and then it's just going to be kind of the first impressions of the chair once I've actually got it set up and I've actually used it for a little while. Stick around guys, we'll see how the build goes. Okay, so that's the time lapse done for the build, and I can give you my first impressions now after using it for about an hour or so. First impressions, okay, this neck pillow which they give you is really comfortable. It's memory foam, so it's going to contour to your neck depending, or your head depending on where you put it. It's got lumbar support built right into the back, as you can see from the arm, from the knob on the side, and the amount of adjustment that gives you is quite good. That's something that I never had on my previous chair. The arms move in 4 directions. For some reason they seem to call these 4D arms. No, they don't move through time and space. They just adjust in 4 different directions, as you can see. That makes the adjustability of these quite versatile depending on how you're going to have your chair set up around your desk. It also has a little party trick as well, and it has the lever on the side which you can pull, and if you want you can actually recline it almost to 180. I think it's 165 degrees, so if you want to take a break and grab a little bit of rest, you can do that quite easily. Now I've gone for the soft weave fabric version. However, you can get 2 different types of leather. One is a lot more expensive than the other. I went for the soft weave fabric because this room where I am actually gets quite warm in the summer, and I wanted the fabric because it's going to allow my body to breathe a little bit better than using either of the 2 leathers. So it actually took me about 20-25 minutes to build this. The build guide, the instructions are very comprehensive. If anything, they may be a little confusing, and potentially they could be simplified a little bit more to make the construction a little bit simpler. However, I can't fault them just for the fact that their instructions are over comprehensive. So the general construction is very solid, as you would imagine for a chair in this price range. Here in the UK it came in at around £350, which is probably going to be around 450 US dollars. So like I said in the beginning of this video guys, this is just a real quick video just to show you how I unboxed and how I've put this together, and to give you my first impressions of this chair. Overall, I think it's a pretty good chair. It comes with a 2-year warranty. That can be extended to 3 years if you satisfy some certain conditions. Please check out the Secret Lab website and they'll give you some more details on that. So I hope you liked the video guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my videos, and also to hit the bell notification to be notified when I put more videos up. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next one.